All right, so cranial nerve 1 right here, nice big nerve. We see it runs in the olfactory sulcus right here. Okay, so there's cranial nerve 1. Cranial nerve 2 is optic. It always gets cut off, but we can see the remnants in the optic chiasm right here. So that would be cranial nerve 2. Cranial nerve 3, where should I find it? Interpeduncular fossa. So I need to kind of get these blood vessels out of the way, and I thought I had it's right here. It's just all tangled up with the blood vessels, but here it is. Yeah. So here is the oculomotor nerve, right, coming out from that interpeduncular fossa. Okay, cranial nerve 4, where does that begin? On the back. Okay, so I got to flip it over, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my inferior colliculus, and then I look for a nerve, and I see it right here. So there is cranial nerve 4, and it wraps around. Okay, so trochlear means pulley, and so I think of like the trochlear nerve is sort of wrapping around the brainstem to pull the eyes. Okay. Okay. Okay, so there is going to be cranial nerve 4. Okay, cranial nerve 5. Cranial nerve 5 is a big guy, right? So I go halfway down the pons and lateral, and there he is. Right, nice big guy, trigeminal nerve. Okay, here's sort of a little nub on this side. Okay, 6, 7, and 8, where do I find that? Basis pontis. Okay, so I need to kind of move the blood vessels out of the way. And so 6 I should find very medially, and usually it's one of the ones that gets ripped off. I might have just ripped it off there, although that felt like meninge. Wait, here it is. Here it is. Woo! Look at that nice 6. So here is 6, abducens. Okay, then to find 7 and 8, I move along the basis pontis and I go laterally. And so this is 8 because it's really nice and thick. 7 should be right here. This used to be 7 here. Let's see if we have it on the other side. Oh, here it is. Here's 7 on the other side. And then here is 8. And we lost 6 on this side. 6 should be right here. Okay, so that's 6, 7, 8, 9 I'm going to find just below 8, and usually 9 is sort of wrapped up with 10. So I just kind of look for a whole cluster of nerves here. And I try to see if one of them's a little thicker and separate. And so this is going to be 9, because you see how it's kind of separate from this group here, which is 10. So we have 9 right here, just below 8, and 10 is just below 9. And then 11, I should see some nerves coming off of here, which I do, and then this would be sort of 11 starting to ascend up, because 11 is going to ascend up through the foramen magnum and then go out again through the jugular foramen. And then 12, anybody remember where I would find 12? Between the olives and the pyramid. So here's the pyramid, here's the olive. I look for a nerve. I don't see a nerve here.
There's a tiny few of them here.
Yeah, I'm going to have to switch brains.
This one had a really good 11, and it has 12 also.
So if we look at this brain,
I would have 11 also.
here's 12 right here. So see, here is the pyramid, here's the olive. Let me just hit that to focus it a little bit better. Oh, I just ripped it off. No, it's still there. Okay, here's 12. Here's 12.
This is why there's some missing.
Yeah.
You guys do it too.
So, all right, we can.
People think it's fashion. That one had a good one.